Alia ji, on your left. Hi.
वरुण
Left. Hi. आलिया जी, आजकल का जो सबसे ट्रेंडिंग अल्फाबेट है वो है आर. सो आपकी भी लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़े आर हैं, तो आप मानती हैं कि आर बहुत लकी फैक्टर है आपके लिए?
I'm stumped. मेरे पास जवाब नहीं है. I'm trying to be intelligent right now. I don't have a good answer. G. R is a lovely alphabet, but so is A.
Yeah, my question to Alia. Congratulations to the entire team. Alia, very first time when you approached, Rajamouli sir, so what was your reaction like?
Should I tell them the true story? तो actually story बहुत interesting है because I bumped into Rajamouli sir at the airport. He was just coming back from something and I was going to Hyderabad for a shoot and I said, "Sir, I want to work with you." And he said, you know, he was very gracious and said, "Yes, I would love to work with you as well." I said, "Sir, I'll do anything. Just give me a part in your film. I want to work with you." It was a casual meeting. We just, you know, it just happened. And at the end of that, he said, "Actually, I do have something, but I'm not sure. I wasn't sure whether I should approach you. I'm not sure about your timeline." And I said, I couldn't believe my luck. Firstly, I couldn't believe that there was actually something for me. I said, "Sir, whatever it is, I'll come, I'll meet you." And then, of course, it became more legitimate. We did a Zoom call. Then I went to Hyderabad and Sir took me through the, you know, the film. And as I said, I would do, you know, walk-on part on Sir's film because just being a part of his vision and his cinema is, like I said, a dream come true for me. But my reaction was purely like, and he was speaking about the character earlier. He said it's very important for me that you match the character because Sita is very, very loved, and the representation of, you know, the way you portray her on screen, your look, the way you speak, your energy, everything has to be up to the mark because, you know, I have to live up to the audience's visualization and characterization that they already have of her. So I took that very, very seriously and I worked for a year on my lines. I said, "So I won't let you down." I think the most scary part was I had to speak in Telugu. I think I managed eventually.
Alia, hi, this is Vinamru from Midday. So my question to you is that when you were finalized to play the character of Sita, as an actor, what were your emotions like on the first day of the shoot and the last day of the shoot?
Emotions? I was very excited, but I was also very nervous because it's an unknown language. I mean, I know the language, I've studied and I've gone through my part, I've ruttoed it, I'm sitting every day with my coach and I'm going through it. But at the end of the day, I think maybe in Hindi or English, I don't think in Telugu, but I was very nervous because I wanted to portray the line, give the right pauses, But once I went on set, I realized that Sir had done everything for me. It was literally, I would not say, he made it so much easier because he's so clear exactly what he wants, every line, every shot, every emotion. And then I was just observing. Then I was like, literally like an audience and, you know, watching him. He would also perform it in front of the camera and he would do this and I would try and imitate him and do the same thing. So the emotions were excitement to get it right, and of course once it was done I was quite sad when my experience with Sir's over, but hopefully I'll have another one.